Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. Today, 18th February 2022, it's going to be a very important trading day, the last day of the week. So let me present before you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels and the market data for today. So before I proceed, let me tell my viewers that stock market is subjected to risk. If you are trading, take the help of investment professional. My videos are for educational purpose only. So now let me come first to the option chain and present you the option data for today. So first let me come to the call. So as you can see on the screen, highest open interest build-up is 97,552 at 17,500, and you can see there is a build-up of 71,000 open interest, 17,400 level, 75,888, 17,300. So 17,300 is first resistance, 17,400 is the second, and 17,500 is the third. On the lower side, hardly any support till 17,000. So let me come to the put side. I'll erase it. Yes. So on the put side, what you can see on the put side is, there is highest build up 1,22,893 contracts at 17,000. So 17,000 is going to be a major support, and you can see the next build up is at around 71,316. So if 71,316 contracts at 17,200, 17,200 breaks means the next level is 17,000 as the option chain suggests. So you cannot find major open interest positions above. So 17,200 is one small support. If it breaks, then there is a big support at 17,000. So that is what the option chain is suggesting. Now let me come to the FII and DI data for today. So what you can see from the FIIs and DIs, FIIs or FPIs were net sellers even yesterday, and DIs were buyers to the tune of 901. So net to net, FIIs selling is compensated by DI buying. Now next, let me present you the statistics, very important statistics of yesterday. So you can see here, place it here. So what you can see from FIS and DI statistics, you can see FIS, what is their position in index? They are long in index. So they are long in index. You can see FIS are long in index. So here, FIs have option index put long positions. Okay. So put long positions they have. And put short hardly anything. So what you can find from this is FIs are buying puts. Okay. So majority of their position is in put buying, so which means that the chance of market falling is higher. And pros, professional traders, even professional traders have call short. Majority call short. Call short means they have shorted the call, which means from the option chain we found that 17,300 is the highest open interest. So 17,300, 17,200 are going to be the major resistances. Okay, and what about the retailers? So majority of the retailers are, you can see here, the retail data. So you can see retailers have taken more calls, okay, and they have shorted puts. Yeah. So from this we can understand that retailers have purchased long calls and they have short the put. Yeah. So retailers have to be cautious because FIIs and professional traders view is entirely on the opposite side. So better take today, yeah, long puts. So you can buy puts, yeah, be on the side of FIIs and the professional traders, or you can sell the call or short the call. So this is what the statistics of FIIs, DIs and other participants suggesting. Okay. So let me now come back to the chart. Yeah. Yes. So let me come to the first Nifty chart. So you can see Nifty right now. Yeah, right now Nifty is at around 17,000 to 89 like that. So in that territory. So now let me mark this. So it is somewhere hovering just below the lower central pivot range. Lower central pivot range is 17 to 19, as long as 17 to 99 or 17,300 not taken off, yeah, you can sell Nifty for a target of 17,196. Today most probably we should touch 17,196 during the trading day. Yeah, so I suggest my viewers to short Nifty at 17,300 levels. Yeah, place the stop loss at 17,325 for a target of 17,200 or 17,196. So it's always better short Nifty today from all the data of FIIs, option chain suggesting that Nifty may touch 17,200 levels. Okay, so that is the view. Now let us come to, on the higher side, the resistance is there at around 17,403. Yeah, but Nifty has already broken that lower central pivot range. Okay, it is trying to reverse, but it's not taking off. So it's always better at 17,300 levels. Yeah, short the Nifty for a target of 17,196. Now let me come to the Nifty Bank. Yeah, Nifty Bank is very important. Nifty Bank is very weak compared to Nifty. Yeah, so it is also below. It is also below the lower central pivot range, that is 37,564. 564. Okay, you can place your stop loss at 17,560. Sell Bank Nifty for a target of 37,215 for the day. Yeah, so that is a better bet. Okay, so if you are taking more risk, means 37,600 you can place the stop loss. Okay, and I don't think today we should discuss about the higher levels because the markets are very weak and Bank Nifty especially very weak. So this is the data point, yeah, for today. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment. So thank you.